soul of entertainment.
Salawa àwọn tèmi wọn láwọn ọ̀rọ̀ orin wákàtí ọdún bọ́ ẹ má ṣe bínú ọdún tó ti dé. Salawa ni màsítà àmọ́ òkìkí lágbẹ́dẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ yọ orin ọlọ́mọ ti sẹ́ẹ̀lì láwọ̀ ọmọdé àtọ̀dá tó ti yọ. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ màmá mi ìyá tó tọ́ mi tó wò mí ìdàgbà mọ́dà bẹ́ẹ̀ ní ọpẹ́ ló yẹ yín. Salawa ni màsítà àmọ́ òkìkí lágbẹ́dẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ yọ orin ọlọ́mọ ti sẹ́ẹ̀lì láwọ̀ ọmọdé àtọ̀dá tó ti yọ. Ìyá mi Àṣàbí Màmúnà ẹ̀yin ti ṣòwò látòwúrọ̀ ìyá mi ẹ ṣe ọpẹ́ ló yẹ yín. Salawa ni màsítà àmọ́ òkìkí lágbẹ́dẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ yọ orin ọlọ́mọ ti sẹ́yìn láwọ̀ ọmọdé àtọ̀dá ìjọ ti yá. Alábẹ́ni o Salawa. Akọrin ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n pẹ̀lú ìtumọ̀ àwọn sọ̀mọ́rí ní wákàtí tẹ́tí sí lórí sẹ́yìn láwà ọmọdé ń gbọ́ wọ́n ròyìn rẹ̀ alàgbà ń gbọ́ wọ́n ròyìn rẹ̀ èyí ni àwọn gbóhùn sókè ìbí wù mí ó lórí àgbáyé. Alábẹ́ni o Salawa. Akọrin ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n pẹ̀lú ìtumọ̀ àwọn sọ̀mọ́rí ní wákàtí tẹ́tí sí lórí sẹ́yìn láwà ọmọdé ń gbọ́ wọ́n ròyìn rẹ̀ alàgbà ń gbọ́ wọ́n ròyìn rẹ̀ èyí ni àwọn gbóhùn sókè ìbí wù mí ó lórí àgbáyé. Mo ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ń gbọ́ ti ṣe ìdáwà o. Ìbí wù mí ó lórí àgbáyé. Àwọn sọ̀mọ́rí ní wákàtí ìṣẹ́. Ìbí wù mí ó lórí àgbáyé. Àròyé níṣẹ́ ìbàbà ìgbé kíké níṣẹ́ ẹ̀ lóko. Ìbí wù mí ó lórí àgbáyé. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń fẹ́ ti ṣe ìdáwà ẹ ò ní fẹsẹ̀ kọ́ lọ́la àlàúrà bí. Ìbí wù mí ó lórí àgbáyé. Àwọn sọ̀mọ́rí ní wákàtí ìṣẹ́. Ìbí wù mí ó lórí àgbáyé. Àròyé níṣẹ́ ìbàbà ìgbé kíké níṣẹ́ ẹ̀ lóko. Ìbí wù mí ó lórí àgbáyé.
Mago miroro, mago miroro, mago miroro, níjọ máa jí góòlù o. Mago miroro bí mẹ́bí máa tó kákùtà o. Mago miroro bí mẹ́jọ máa jí jù lọ́jà o. Ọ̀pọ̀ bá rí wa lóde, wọ́n rí wa wọ́n wò wá tẹ́ńbẹ́lú. Bẹ́ẹ̀ lásánlá jàǹdàkú bójú iṣẹ́ wọ̀pọ̀ ṣọ́pọ̀ kúkú tọrọ jẹ. Àbùdá ò jẹ lábẹ́ Gẹ̀ẹ́sì o, iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ wa làwa jẹ. Kúnukú kan ń gbá kúrú lásán bá ń sá, kíní kan ò máa ní ṣe. Èèyàn tó bá ti jú fún wa là á ti jú fún ní òtútù fẹ́ni kankan mọ́. Ọ̀pọ̀ òyìnbó fi tútù jẹ́ wà òkúrò inú ẹ̀ pégbèje. Àwọn tó gbéra wọn ní nǹkan pàtàkì àwa wọn a ò rí wọn mọ́. Àwọn dà. Olúwa ó máa ti rúdù mi dákun wá bèrè mi jẹ́ mi. Ọjọ́ jíjẹ ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́, ọjọ́ ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́ bèbí sùn ló pọ̀. Ọ̀pọ̀ tó ń ṣe bíbí máa nu lóde, iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ wọn ò ṣe rí. Má wulẹ̀ pé wá lálẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ mọ́ amúlùdù lórúkọ tiwa. Bá ti kú ọ̀tá ìbáyọ̀mí wá lálákọ̀ọ́rí ọmọ ti lọ. ara mi bó lóde ò bá kú ojúde ẹ̀ kì í hu koríko. Ká tó dé ẹ má bínú ọlọ́run ọba mi ló kókó dirí ẹwà àfákùkọ tó bá ṣe èèyàn ni ó ṣe ṣe kó ti sìn rẹ̀gú akín níbi gbogbo ibi tẹ́ ẹ ti ń wò wá láàárọ̀ yìí lórí ètò Wazobia Plus náà látún kalẹ̀ sí ẹ gbádùn wá láàárọ̀ yìí gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa ń gbádùn wá ní gbogbo ìgbà adúpẹ́pẹ́ òkun lọ́wọ́ aláwùrábí ọba tó dá wa sórí ilẹ̀ ayé tó ní ká máa mí nímí àlàáfíà tó ní ká máa mí nímí ọ̀fẹ́ tí ò gbowó tí ò gbòbí tí ò gba nǹkan kan lọ́wọ́ wa tá a lọ pẹ́ tọ́ sí ọlọ́run ọba mi ni lórí ètò Wazobia Plus ní MITV lálàùsá lakalẹ̀ sí láàárọ̀ yìí orúkọ mi ò yí padà olóyè Abíọ́dún Ajíṣegírí lórúkọ mi ọlọ́pọlọ èèyàn táyé ń pè lólòlò máa sùn olólo tí ò sùn tó ń fojoojúmọ́ sún síwájú lóòrèkóòrè èmi apẹ́mi náà kọ́ ọlọ́run ọba mi ni tẹ́ ẹ bá ti rọ́ba láàfin ó di dandan kẹ́ ẹ rí àwọn olórí méjèèjì lọ́tún lọ́sì Alimatu Shadia sọ̀nà ń kú o.
Mugu da nawa.
Mugu báwo kí ni mugu wá nínú.
But no be mugu, I say mugu da nawa. Sanunku, I am plenty, like I'm many.
Okay, so
what you will say is saninki.
Saninki. Àpèfẹ́ yín ni saninki.
So jama'a assalamu alaikum barkamu da sake saduwa a wannan shirin namu Wazobia Plus da hata duka faɗin mu muna nan lafiya a wannan. A yau din nan dai muna da wayansu a gida wanda za su yi muku waka da kuma zance kuma ban san zancen mu dai amma sai dai ku zauna ku ji zancen da take da shi a yau din kamar ni ma idan na tashi daga nan zan zauna ne in ji zancen da suke da shi da za su faɗa a yau din nan to a yau din nan dai to gashi nan dai kafin dai mu fara da zan faɗi suna na Halima Hassan ko ku zauna ku shakata yanda na ce
how you dey na revival na I carry come this morning na where evangelist Ololo stop am na I wan start am my own goes this way kò gbowó kò gbòbí kò gba nǹkankan lọ́wọ́ wa ó dá wa sí yé gba nǹkankan lọ́wọ́ wa.
The idea is needed ó yẹ kó ti yé yín tó bá ti ń di kò gba kọ̀kọ́ kì í ṣe kọ́kọ́ kò gba nǹkankan ló ń.
Because every day now we dey see am. I thank God for health. I thank God say dey for the land of living. So I go sit down here, they talk with my voice sharp like this. Now the strength and the gift of God. I still take that time. He say he don't collect anything from us. But every day he dey make us well and they make us dey okay. And people how una dey. And even before I go come out on top of that point, I want to use this opportunity to wish everybody when they for sick bed say you go recover fully in Jesus' name.
Amen.
And I just time as I take recover, you too you go recover. How una dey? Hope say una dey well. Yesterday as me and una dey talk, na shadow I dey see, but I just manage sit down. But today I dey healthy. Una pikin, our pikin, Amaka Oguleye, the original Naija pikin. Today on top of the program, we get plenty things. We get musicians when we are inside the studio, because I don't tell them. I saw the musicians when I see, na rugged jeans. I've made a new dread rock. I've made a, you know I know say this one an artist, but this one I see gentleman musician. No be daily time, the day inside studio. And we get visitor all the way from Delta. When one tell us what's in the eye they see on top cyber crime. You know, say before we this in Lagos now we get highest white boys, but then they tell us now say the ones that went there for Delta, you get thick layer. No be this. In fact, if you hear them the story, no be for this place at all. The thing don't deep, so it don't get roots. So they no be only the white boys them now we know now. Even from high places for that state, people don't there for their payroll. So that state needs liberation. That state its own. In fact, G-boy go to beat police officer. You don't ever hear him before. Say Yahoo boy they beat police officer.
Now only the police officer did that place when they beat them.
Then go, you know say them go plenty of them. The police officer don't carry that. Then go come tell you say them become rich. Then they hide under woman rights cover. But we get person when get the better knowledge of the story when go tell us today for the studio.
Torí ntoba ti mú kí eku pàdé dà kó máa lé olóńgbò ó ní bó ṣe jẹ́.
I don't know one day we see when you ask for yesterday for I know vex I know be people.
Kí wàá níṣẹ́ tó gbà.
I know be people. This one just.
Oh, kì í ṣe pé borun amẹ̀bọ̀ lásán ni.
Okay, amẹ̀bọ̀
lásán.
This one the one will happen between Senator Remi Tinubu and our distinguished Senator Elisha Abo, the slapper.
The slapper, you don't give a new name. That na name.
Òun nìkan kọ́ ló fún lórúkọ.
You know say
tó bá lọ wo orí social media kò sórúkọ tí wọ́n
we get dancing senator.
Yes.
We get singing senator.
Don't go there. Those ones are my lovers. I love them so much. The dancing one
and the singing one.
The singing one, they are nice. They are good. Please don't go.
What
don't
of the slapping one?
Okay. Don't compare them with the slapping one.
Okay, that means the slapping one is bad.
Those two are okay.
Okay, the slapping one can tell them. The slapping one can tell the Senate committee, people should not threaten me with suspension.
Ato.
Ó yẹ kó sọ̀rọ̀. Wọ́n máa fi lọ́jọ́ kò lé kó máa fi dẹ́rù bà. Ó ń jẹ́ kó yé wa pé nǹkan tó ń ṣe dáa lójú ara wọn ni.
Because the third Senator Bola Ahmed Remi Tinubu yeye say me and you will be colleagues.
Ìkọ̀kan náà ni wà náà. Kí ló dé tó fẹ́ máa halẹ̀ mọ́ mi? Máa halẹ̀ mọ́ Káyọ̀dé.
If I get hot temper,
I think say that guy need to carry and go Yaba Posi, make we go check out well. In fact, before we start to elect people for Senate, House of Rep, give them authority, they're supposed to do brain screening for them.
Check their tempers, you know.
Because one, stress will make person self. Make if they say the person don't get small 50% mental touch before, you come put them on that strength. You think you just go for that.
Ṣé o mọ̀ pé tó bá ní kó sọ yẹn pé káwọn ìjọba máa ṣe yẹn, àwọn tí wọ́n máa ṣe fún máa pọ̀. Ó lè lọ fọ́ọ̀lù síbi táwọn ibi tí wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí. Ṣé o mọ̀ pé o ò ní fẹ́ gbà? Tí o bá má gbàgbé ńgbà kan pé ìjọba kan wà lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ yìí tó sọ pé àwọn tó bá ti ń wọ ṣòkòtò tí tó fìdí lẹ̀ pé kán máa mú wọn. Nígbà kan bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní mú wọn tó ń gẹrun kírun wọ́n padà mú ọmọ sẹ́nítọ̀ kan o. Ibẹ̀ náà ti stop ẹ̀ o. So má gbàgbé kì í ṣe pé bóyá wọn ò lè ṣe òfin yẹn ṣùgbọ́n òfin Nàìjíríà oṣù mélòó ló fi ń parí. A sọ pé wọn kì í ṣòfin wọ́n ń ṣe irú ẹni tí ó jẹ́ senator slapper yìí ń sìn.
Slapping senator.
Yes. Okay, slapping senator. Okay, slapping náà dẹ̀ ni I'm beating. Slapping and
How many names do you want to give this?
Kò sí orúkọ dáa ní fún.
Slappy beat.
Ya push ó tún fi push.
Pushing senator.
Ní táwọn sọ ni pé ẹ dákun ẹ dábọ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí Naija Pikin ṣe sọ Amaka pé bóyá tàbá rí àwọn kan tó gbà kò tí ì dìbò bóyá kákọ́ máa lọ yẹ ọpọlọ wọn wò kó tó di pé wọ́n máa débẹ̀ tán láṣẹ máa sọ pé àmọ́ pé irú èèyàn báyìí ni bóyá tá a bá ń ṣe yẹn ó ṣeé ṣe kó jẹ́ pé wọ́n ṣe kán tó máa ṣe primary àbí kán tó máa ṣe nǹkan kan àá lè tètè mọ irú èèyàn tí ó jẹ́ nítorí wọ́n ṣe primary wọ́n ti ṣe secondary kán tó wá ṣe fásitì padà.
I wan put one before we go on top of this segment. You see the senator alone, my distinguished Senator Elijah Abu, the slapping senator, I had to talk about. Will they look the senator say, if you look am for face with the jerry coil when they head?
I didn't get jerry coil. That means I won't be there.
Torí àwọn fìlà tó dé bóyá torí ẹ̀ náà ló ṣe ń dé fìlà tó ń dé fìlà torí mo rí nínú ibi tó ti lùyàn ó dé face cap ibi tó ti ń bẹ̀bẹ̀ àtúnrí ó tún dé fìlà àwọn fìlà tí wọ́n máa ń fi starch wọ́n máa fi starch ṣe yẹn bóyá torí pé òrí níbi tó ṣí orílẹ̀ ni ṣùgbọ́n níbì kan wà tí mo ti rí owó ni owó ni.
So wetin people go dey talk now be say the only small boy wey we get for house see as he take fuck up he come misbehave when he go if you say na me be am when I reach senate panel yesterday I go beg my colleagues in fact I go first of all beg please sir before we start this procedure
ló ń wò
can
all
all
camera
you no understand
ìfẹ́ dárúkọ àwọn tí ń de but mo sáà mọ̀ pé ó ní.
Can all cameras be off? You know, they will come off the camera because say please I want to beg ẹ pa mí sílé.
ẹ má pa mí sóde.
But instead of that we see am dey stand up insult a fellow say na him colleague say they are colleagues so that he can do what he wants to do and that he should not be threatened with suspension because nobody get the right to threaten am say he go suspension na him be say if you look at.
ìyẹn ò ń ṣe threatening o tá a bá ní ká wò.
who dey threaten am.
ìyẹn ò ń ṣe threatening o.
in fact if they say na here e dey sef we go if you don reach house tey tey.
wọ́n sì ń gbé ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ yẹ̀wò lọ́wọ́ bóyá ó wá wú gbọ́ pé ìwà tó wù yìí ẹ̀ bá ṣe o mọ̀ pé àwọn èèyàn tó ń gbé ọ̀rọ̀ yẹ̀wò wọ́n máa pọ̀ ó lè wú gbọ́ kò tí wọ́n tí ì sọ pé kó lọ rọ́kúnlé wọ́n sì ń rò lọ́kàn pé kó lọ rọ́kúnlé
addressing him.
láti wá máa sọ fún àwọn tó jókòó gbogbo àwọn tó jókòó pé ìkan náà ni wá nà.
They are not the same thing because Senator Tinubu
ọ̀nà jìn síra wọn.
is not a slapping senator.
ọ̀nà jìn.
And she is a distinguished senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. She never
sees that.
Never hear atrocity.
Kọ́ má jẹ́ apẹ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí torí tí wọ́n sì máa ṣe lórílẹ̀‐èdè yìí pọ̀ kọ́ má jẹ́ apẹ́ lórí ẹ̀ kí wọ́n jẹ́ ká mú nǹkan míì ṣe torí eléyìí nísìnyí wọ́n tún lè ní wọ́n ń fà títí dọdún kan ìyẹn kọ́ ni ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà kan ìka tó bá ti ṣẹ̀ òun ni Bíbélì sọ pé ẹ̀jẹ̀ agé ìka tó bá ṣẹ̀ ẹ dájọ́ ẹ̀ kíákíá kẹ́ kúrò lórí ẹ̀ kẹ́ bọ́ sí ìpele tó bá kàn tó a máa tẹ̀síwájú lórí ètò Wazobia Plus nígbà táwọn àlejò wa pàdé o gbọ́dọ̀ ní nǹkan tí ó sọ ó dùn mí pé mi ò gba Hausa gbogbo tí wọ́n sọ mi ò gba Hausa
tó mi ò gbọ́ Yorùbá tù.
O gbọ́ Yorùbá o kàn ṣàbòsí ni mi ò gba Hausa rárá.
To shi kenan zancen da muke yi kenan game da wannan sanata ni ban san me yasa yake da haushi haka nan ba ni in ta kaina ne tunda yana nan yana magana da wayanda suke aiki tare kawai ya roƙa ya ce musu to gaskiya kan na san nayi laifi a gafarta min laifi ta ba zan sake maimaitawa ba amma kuma yana ɗau haushi kuma yana magana kuma cikin wannan maganar da yake da zaki to Allah dai kawai dai ya shirye mu ba zan ce Allah ya shirye shi ba Allah ya shirye mu duka a masu ma
ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà létẹ bá gbọ́ gbogbo tó wí bóyá kẹ́ sọ fún wa létà lórí àgbọ̀.
As we take talk am we say we get plenty people for house and we get visitor wey wan talk about cyber crime together she go come on top of set now we go follow hammer the topic and make we see where we don fail as leaders and wetin we be again as society we dey come on top of Wazobia Plus.
Ba zan yi tafiya da ke ba domin garin na da nisa san kiya mamaye raina amma lamarin da sauri.
Ba zan ki tafiya da kai ba domin garin na da nisa san kaya mamaye raina amma yanayin da sauri.
Ba zan ki tafiya da ke ba domin garin na da nisa
san kaya mamaye raina amma yanayin da sauri.
zuciya da silama wata ran ko kyayi daidai.
Ba zan ki tafiya da kai ba domin garin na da nisa. San kaya mamaye raina amma yanayin da sauri.
Na yi kamuwa
Now, so we dey see am on top of Wazobia Plus, plenty things behind the scene. You know, go fit get Olulu and Bento for inside studio, make you get wetin you want. And so it go dey be. Inside the studio, as I take talk, we wan talk one thing when e be say the society don adopt am say na norms. All the story wey we dey hear, abeg, if na Delta you dey watch for, we go want make you sit down, carry your chair sit down, make you lis ten to all these kind things wey we wan talk about cyber crime. Why e be say na anything wey we do for our state, na our own we no dey carry last. Every other state too get this kind issue, but why e be say when e come to Delta, na another strong topic and another strong issue. I get person inside the studio as I take talk am when me and her go dey discuss. Na she go mention Efe, welcome. Tega, welcome on top of the program.
Thank you very much.
How Wafi and how everybody there?
Wafi is fine. Everybody dey fine.
Okay. So tell us wetin we fit know about wetin we dey call if we say cyber crime. Make we talk am for the way wey people go understand. Make we say Yahoo boys.
Okay. So, from wetin me dey observe on my own for that time be say so many things don dey go wrong now. And as I dey follow you dey talk, e be like say me sef no dey understand some kind people, some kind oga dem for inside the matter again o. Because so many things don happen, don go wrong well for that time. So many people wey I no even expect say dem go dey involve themselves into this cyber crime of 18. They don dey involve themselves for this cyber crime. I feel say CDHR before they suppose be for the voiceless ones, but even now too sef dem sef don enter the thing sef. Na cyber crime issue now, na dem take dey collect money every day for the town now. So tey dem dey suffer the less privilege. People dey no get mouth, na dem dey suffer now for the town.
I think say CDHR supposed to stay as a non-governmental organization to fight for the less privileged. For people, for some of us who no get voice, because I'm an activist, and I know say our fight na to fight say no against things that are bad, even if that thing dey come from government. So why Delta State won't come the difference?
I no understand though. Now the way you think, I dey tell you, so na still me self dey see am. Because recently something happened to me. My junior brother self wey be say me self I come surprise as I dey follow you dey talk for you, so my own life self dey at risk by the area commander worry.
Wetin concern police concern cyber crime?
Okay. My ma just use small mouth to touch wetin happen to my brother for inside the whole matter. He get some group of his friends come meet and say make his friend for US come give them, make give them account wey be say they wan put money. Ask their hope not be internet fraud. They say no, he can't carry phone. Now he call his friend who can't give the account. They can't go hack money for account. They hack money for account finish. Now they can't know say na internet fraud money. My brother call they say no go fit bring this money for now, no bad money, more na recall na money back. Those boys I say they not go come out money again. They say my brother must bring money out for them. Only for my brother to go bank say make they go come out money, send money back to where money from come. Now they do finish. They come say my brother must come pay the money. As they don't return money back, they begin they follow my brother up. They threaten her with court, all sort of things. They can't go meet one human rights where they call Comrade Kelly. They can't tell her wetin dey happen. I come recall because say in order for them to get this money, they need to connive. Make they go meet police, go tell police say my brother dey sell guns. So as my brother dey house like this, he just dey comot. Now police enter the house. As he enter a house.
So what's going to happen at the end of the day?
At the end of the day, be this say they won't arrest my brother. They not see him arrest. So they come, they come carry a junior brother. I come hear the matter. I come go station. Not that there's not be so happy. As I reach, I explain, give DPO. After all said and done, now the human rights come apologize, give. After he apologize, he come go area commander, come go petition me from that side. As him petition me, say go petition from Asaba. Make area commander release case file to Asaba. He not go release case file again. No. He don't hold on, they don't carry money give am for there, don't sit down press matter for there. Say not go release case file again to Asaba. Since on the 13th of last month, this one that they tell you so, nice signal don't reach them. He not go release my case file.
So how you think say we fit fight this week?
That is why we be say they thought that they call on the presidency, the IG, the Senate, the House of Rep members, the CDHRO national president, and of course, my honorable governor. May they come intervene for this matter because even me as I dey talk for you like this, my life dey at risk. Area commander not going to release case file, but only for her to do finish, she go send people say may they come find me, may they carry me, come give am. Wetin you wan use me do? Other some other human rights now.
Fight this cyber crime.
For some time now they observe say all these human rights for what we get for Delta State, all of them they be criminals. One way they call Israel Joe. I even get video of some people where they will make confession about them.
Okay, maybe we see the video of cyber crime boys when they arrest for worry, when they talk say that they hide under woman rights groups.
Yes.
Say they be woman rights. Maybe we see if our producer they here, maybe we see some of the clips. If they say they're ready, if you know they're ready, maybe we discuss matter they go. So all these people, how do they take drum? The boys them.
I don't know how they take the drum. Now there will be members of CDHR where they put them, they register, that they put for their CDHR organization. Now they don't know how they take the drum. Like even in some of those things, you go see for inside where we say the boys that they explain okay, how they put them.
Then they play. Maybe we hear this one. What in this one they talk about?
Where are you from?
I'm from Obai, Line Chopis.
Born into which family?
Family of Orelego Silofoto.
Which primary school do you attend?
Okwekpara Primary School.
Can you speak loud?
Okwekpara Primary School.
I will not ask you to speak loud again.
Okay.
Which primary school do you attend?
Okwekpara Primary School.
Which secondary school do you attend?
At Tigo Secondary School, Abaka.
Do you attend any higher institution?
Yes, sir.
Which of the higher institutions do you
Delta
attend?
State University.
What do you read?
Pure physics.
All right. Is it true that you are into kidnapping?
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
And it is true that you are practicing courtesy?
No, sir.
Is it true that you are into internet fraud?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
When did you start internet fraud?
That was last year.
I can't hear you.
Last year.
Who was the person that introduced you into internet fraud?
A friend of mine from Benin.
What is his name?
Oye.
Eh?
Oye.
Is it Facebook, Instagram? How many accounts do you have there?
Just one, but all are blocked.
One account. How many clients do you have there?
One.
Which name do you use in opening your Facebook account?
Terrymark.
Eh?
Terrymark.
You use Terrymark. Which picture do you use on your profile?
Internet fraud?
No.
Huh?
No, sir.
Whose picture are you using?
The white man picture.
Why didn't you use your picture? Your face?
Oh, can't use my face.
You can't say what?
Can't use my face.
Why? Why now?
Why? Because you can't use my face now.
What is your reason why you cannot use your face?
Because if I use my face, no white man will talk to me.
No white woman will talk to you.
When carry trade lock, when talk say him be
In a CDHRO member.
Member.
And also internet fraud.
Fraud,
It was registered by Israel Joe.
okay. So if they may register them as CDHR, that won't give them right to fight and assault police, lesser police officers.
That question now maybe na the CDHR now they go come answer that question. Maybe I don't know the day where they register that they enter this their CDHR thing. Maybe they tell themselves na get right to the beat police join safe.
Because I don't understand why you would beat police for states when get law like that. We get commissioner for police, we get area commands, we even get station DPOs. So why this case never reach Abuja by now?
Na im make na person dey carry something once, so me now dey cry out now to the whole country make dem for hear wetin dey happen, because wetin dey happen for inside that Delta state dey worry, no be as people dey see am. So many people dey die, so many people dey suffer. Na wetin make me talk the first time say I dey call on the presidency, the IG, the senate, the house of rep members, and of course the CDHRO national president, and I dey call on my governor Okowa make dem come intervene for this matter, because the way I dey see the thing, some of these big police people sef don see join hand for inside this thing wey dem dey do so. Because I no go see the way be say from the experience when I just tell you say me pass through now for inside this whole thing, say one kind police oga go come hear this one for ear, dey see evidence for inside, you go come see dey support the person.
But I wan ask question, why your brother give them im account number?
Because they say they wan send money give them.
Which kind money? Because you no go fit come meet me now, or you now make person come meet you now, come tell you say give me your account number, they wan send money to me.
Okay, as I dey so.
Because I don't know, every one of us for Nigeria don't know say Yahoo boys, then they use people accounts, they take and do fake transaction.
That question wey you ask, so that question dey very very right. Now as I dey so, I no be person wey be say I no get account for abroad. Maybe if for example person wan send me money now, I go fit tell person say abeg, or who get person for that side, I say abeg make your person give me your account o, person wan pay me money. Not be everybody dey bring money, dey wire money come Nigeria direct. Like my sister now wey be say dey for Canada now, so my sister no dey fit dey send money to us direct.
Hey, look inside that camera, tell people say anybody when come meet you, tell you say make you give am your number.
Yes, so anybody wey come meet una, tell una say make una give am account number or anything, make una not release am o, because na the thing wey be say cause this whole problem when I dey see with my eyes will be that. Abeg, my country people, make una dey hear am now. This one not be say say e happen to person for my house. Now they tell una the story for here.
As you don't advise them, I hope say they don't hear. We thank you say you come on top of our TV today, and we hope say next time if we invite you to come shed more light on this topic, say you will come.
Yes, now if you invite me, I will come.
Okay, thank you very much. God bless you. My people waiting for us. People are not say time no go allow us talk more on top of the cyber crime issue. But as time goes on, we go to talk and we go to play those videos. Or tomorrow we go take them as topic on our panel. We go play those videos, make we hear, make we to talk, make we to call us from house, make we contribute on top of the matter. Make we not go anywhere. We get Bento inside the house with our gentleman musician. They come.
ṣe bí Ọlọ́run, ènìyàn ti ṣe bí ènìyàn, ṣe bí Ọlọ́run. Ẹ mọ̀ pé tá a bá ti dábàlà ẹ ní Wazobia Plus, ẹbẹ̀ náà lẹ́ ti bá èmi pàdé. Ẹ kú ojúmọ́ lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí níbi gbogbo tẹ́ ẹ ti láǹfààní láti máa wò wá. Táíwò Sàlámì náà ní orúkọ tèmi. Àjìbẹ̀ntòrè adúpẹ́ pé òkun lórí ètò Wazobia Plus lọ́jọ́ tòní. Ẹ mọ̀ pé tá a bá ti dé abala ẹ̀ láàmú pàdé àwọn òṣèré orí ìtàgé gbáǹkọ́gbì tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n á máa kọrin ní wọ́n á kọrin gospel, wọ́n á kọ ti Fuji, wọ́n á kọ high life. Ẹ mọ̀ pé ìdùnnú làwa máa mú wá. ọlọ́run ọ̀dọ̀dọ̀ ni wàásù dídẹ̀rọ̀ lónìí mo ní àlejò lórí ètò àlejò mi ti ń kọ orin bí ṣe ń kọ jùjú ní ń kọ highlife ní ń kọ reggae gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ní ń kọ papọ̀ ṣùgbọ́n lónìí n ó fi ojú rẹ̀ hàn mo ní èyàn gbérú ẹ̀bùn báyìí kó gbé kalé máa bọ̀ wá gbé kaná lórí tẹlifíṣàn káwọn èèyàn máa wò ọ́ kí wọ́n mọ̀ pé ẹ̀bùn ń bẹ nínú rẹ̀ ọ̀ ń kun orin ẹ jẹ́ máa lọ́dọ̀ àlejò mi kí n máa káàbọ̀ láàárọ̀ yìí sí orí ètò bó o ní o.
dáadáa ni ẹ káàárọ̀ gbogbo
ọmọ nàìjíríà
ẹ kú ojúmọ́ gbogbo ọmọ nàìjíríà orúkọ mi ni King Action One.
mi ti ẹ̀fẹ̀ tí ìbéèrè náà tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ King Action One ọmọ ìlú wo ni King Action One.
ọmọ Ẹ̀gbádò ní Ogun State.
Ẹ̀gbá mọlúsàbí ọmọ agbòǹgbò àkàlà.
Ẹ̀gbádò.
Ẹ̀gbádò ni mo rò pé Ẹ̀gbá mọlúsàbí sóòbínú ọfẹ ìjọra wọn náà tọrọ ọkọ̀ kan náà lọ́pàá ipò nǹkan kan náà ni adúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run. irú orin wo ni King Action kọ.
orin mẹ́ta ni mo kọ tó dúró.
bíi ti báwo.
Fuji, gospel,
èjì
àti hip hop.
ó di mẹ́ta.
bẹ́ẹ̀ so Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ fún mi lẹ́bùn lórí orin mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta tó jẹ́ pé at least mo ti ṣe àwọn track oríṣiríṣi táwọn èèyàn.
náà làwọn èèyàn ń wò yìí.
bẹ́ẹ̀ Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ fún mi ọgbọ́n ìmọ̀ àti lórí orin láti gbé sọ́tún gbé sósì dẹ̀ jọra àwọn tó dúró.
rẹ́kọ̀dù mélòó lẹ ti ṣe.
rẹ́kọ̀dù mi àkọ́kọ́ tí mo ṣe mo fẹ́ kó mi ìlú òun ó wà àti parí ẹ̀ báyìí àwa ń wá mákẹ́tà tó dúró dáadáa.
ẹ tiẹ̀ ní sùúrù nípa yẹn náà mo fẹ́ gbọ́ tíráàkì kan nínú orin yẹn.
takú o Jésù Kristi takú tọlọ́run máa takú ti Jésù káyémi kó lè dára nídìílé màmá mi nídìílé bàbá mi kémi náà lè rọ́wọ́ yọ Jésù Kristi yé Jésù Kristi jọ̀ọ́ Jésù Kristi yé Jésù Kristi jọ̀ọ́ Jésù Kristi ràn mí lọ́wọ́ kí n má ṣàṣetì o kí ilé ayé mi tòrò bí omi àjípọ́n o mo fẹ́ lọ sí Amẹ́ríkà mo fẹ́ lọ London o mo fẹ́ lọ sí Amẹ́ríkà mo fẹ́ lọ London Jésù Kristi dákun tètè bá mi sáyẹ́nsì kí ilé ayé mi tòrò bí omi àjípọ́n o ẹ má jẹ́ kí n lójú.
èmi gan rí pódùn láì tí ì fìlù sí torí òlòló ń bí ó ti jókòó sí ní mímí bọ́nú ọjọ́ mọ́ bàgà alága jẹ́ nínú orin yìí nígbà tẹ́ ti ń kọrin ta lẹ̀ ń wò bí àwòkọ́ṣe.
ẹni tí mo ń wò bí àwòkọ́ṣe nínú gospel òun ni àǹtí mi Tọ́pẹ́ Àlàbí tí mo fẹ́ràn orin ẹ̀ dáadáa.
orin wo ló fẹ́ràn nínú orin wọn.
áńgẹ́lì mi
áńgẹ́lì
tó bá ń kọ orí mi máa ń ní more inspiration inú mi máa ń dùn ó ní ẹ̀bùn tiẹ̀. bẹ́ẹ̀.
ọ̀dà nígbà tẹ́ ẹ ti ń kọrin ó ti tó ọjọ́ mélòó ọdún mélòó oṣù mélòó ọ̀sẹ̀ mélòó ìgbà mélòó.
ó ti tó ọdún 15 sẹ́yìn sí 17 kí nìdí ni wípé mo níṣẹ́ ọwọ́ tí mò ń ṣe ìgbà tí mo wá ń ṣiṣẹ́ tí mo ń kọrin mo rò pé jẹ́ kọ́kọ́ ṣiṣẹ́ ọwọ́ débi àmì kí n tiẹ̀ ní nǹkan kan díẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ so màá lè máa fi níwọ̀nba màá fi káàkiri owó mọ́tò à ń lọ síbi kan à ń lọ káàkiri so bí ọdún 5 sẹ́yìn ni mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ dúró dáadáa lórí music.
pé ká kúkú dúró lórí music lórí orin.
bẹ́ẹ̀ mo ṣiṣẹ́ ọwọ́ mi náà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ kan.
hip hop ọ̀nà mẹ́ta lẹ́lẹ́ lórí yẹn dálé lórí tí hip hop tún ṣe jẹ́
hip hop yẹn
tí fuji ṣe jẹ́ èwo lẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni fuji ni mo kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ mo wá wọ hip hop nítorí orin ìgbàlódé láti jèrè àwọn ọkàn tó ti ṣàkó lọ sí gospel. hip hop yẹn ìgbà mi mo lè Jésù Kristi lọ́nà òtítọ́ Jésù Kristi ọ̀nà òtítọ́ àti ìyè Jésù Kristi ẹ jẹ́ ká jùmọ̀ tẹ̀lé ọba ní Jésù Kristi àyànfọ́ mi Ẹlẹ́dùmarè ni o Jésù Kristi gbogbo ènìyàn ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀lé Jésù Kristi ẹ jẹ́ ká jùmọ̀ tẹ̀lé ọba ní Jésù Kristi.
èmi náà gbádùn orin mo sì gbádùn tíráàkì tẹ kọ yìí nígbà tí ẹ ti ń kọrin tẹ́ ẹ ti ń gbìyànjú tá lẹ fi wà jọ ṣé ìyá yín ní ń kọrin ni àbí bàbá yín.
ẹ̀bùn láti ọ̀run wa ni Ọlọ́run fún mi lẹ́bùn yìí.
torí àjígbé ni kò jẹ́ pé àyẹ tójú ràn.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni mo kàn ṣàkíyèsí nígbà yẹn wípé tí n bá ń ṣiṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ mo máa ń kọrin àwọn èèyàn ẹnìkan ló kàn.
àìmọye bíríkìlà tí mo kọrin tí bá ń ṣiṣẹ́.
eléyìí a máa kọ́.
mo rántí ìgbà tí olùlò ń ṣe bíríkìlà tó bá ń kọ orin báyìí ẹ̀rọ orin ní èjẹun ni.
nígbà yẹn tí n bá ṣàǹkọrin àwọn ẹnìkan kan trace mi wá ni pé gbogbo orin tó ń kọ yóò ní mí ni lọ́kọ́ jáde káwọn èèyàn máa gbọ́ ẹ̀ lẹ́yìn.
adúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run ìyàwó ní àwọn òbí yín àbí àwọn ìyàwó yín ẹbí yín tí wọ́n kọ sí iṣẹ́ ìtẹ̀sí orin yìí.
wọ́n fẹ́ràn ẹ̀ gan.
wọ́n fẹ́ràn sí orin.
ọjọ́ tí bàbá mi kọ́kọ́ rí mi lórí tẹlifíṣàn wọ́n gbé àga gbogbo wọn jókòó wọn wò pé ọmọ àwọn lélẹ́yìí.
àṣà lógo nílé.
àṣà lógo nínú ìdílé Fagbénró.
àwọn tí wọ́n fẹ́ gbìyànjú láti kọrin báyìí tí wọ́n ń bọ̀ ìmọ̀ràn wo lẹ fẹ́ fún wọn.
ìmọ̀ràn ńlá tí mo lè fún wọn ni wípé kán ní sùúrù kán má wàá gba aláàgbò ṣiṣẹ́ nítorí pé láàrin ọdún 5 sísìn kán tó lè ṣó mi lórí tẹlifíṣàn mo rin ó gbàmí à lọ sí ṣó mi báyìí a máa tò títò bá kàn mí wá tún ní kí n padà sẹ́yìn mo mọ̀ pé ìlàkàkà ni challenges ni so mo fèsì ẹ̀ títí débi tí mo délé ni Ọlọ́run ṣàkóso àwọn èèyàn sí mi pé ó yá jẹ́ ká lọ síbi báyìí jẹ́ ká lọ síbi báyìí títí dé àkókò tí mo wà Ọlọ́run gba gbogbogbò àmọ̀ràn tí mo lè fún àwọn èèyàn ni pé kán ní sùúrù kán má wá gba aláàgbò ṣiṣẹ́ torí téèyàn bá sáré àṣáájú náà ó máa kọsẹ̀ lọ́nà.
ní kọsẹ̀ bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ wípé àkókò náà ó ń sáré tètè adúpẹ́ pé a pè yín tí ẹ wá sí orí ètò ẹ sì tún padà wá lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí i àráàyè wa náà yẹ ètò àráàyè sọ̀rọ̀ dáadáa nígbà tẹ́ kọ́kọ́ ṣe ṣiṣẹ́ àkọ́kọ́ ìjáde àkọ́kọ́ ká máa fi yàn lọ ṣó àkọ́kọ́ níbo ló ti wáyé.
ṣó mi àkọ́kọ́ láyé mi ojú kọ́kọ́ tì mí ṣùgbọ́n àárín àdúgbò náà ni
Ọlọ́run gbògo
Ọlọ́run gbògo wọn kàn tán ni ó yá ẹni báyìí ló fẹ́ wá kọrin tán gbé máìkì fún mi
ẹ̀rù bá mi
máìkì lélẹ́yìí ó ẹ gbà mí ẹ̀rù bá mi ìgbà tí mo ti gbé máìkì tí mo ti sọ̀rọ̀ sí báyìí ìtìjú ká.
àdúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run tó o náà lẹ ti gbọ́ yẹn gbogbo ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa tí ẹ wà nù lé apapa jùlọ ẹ̀yin tí ẹ̀ ń gbégbá àti kọrin ẹ̀jẹ̀ akọrin tó lọ́pọlọ tó nítumọ̀ ẹ wò King Sunny Adé ẹ wò Ebenezer Obey evergreen ní gbogbo àwọn orin wọn Alhaji Sikiru Ayinde Barrister ó kú ìràwọ̀ rẹ̀ òkú orin rẹ̀ sì ń tàn lọ ẹ̀jẹ̀ àmọ́ akọrin tó lọ́gbọ́n tó mọ ọgbọ́n dání ẹ̀jẹ̀ àfi Tọ́gbà Àlàbí àtàwọn míì náà tí wọ́n ń kọ gospel Láńrè Tẹríba káfí wọn kọ́ ṣe àríkọ́gbọ́n títí ìgbà míì tá a tún pàdé lórí ètò Wazobia sì ń tẹ̀síwájú ètò sì ń bẹ lọ́la lágbára Ọlọ́run bá mi ẹ jẹ́ mọ́ lọ sílé agbára lókè lọ́run Táíwò Sàlámì lórúkọ mi mo ṣàyè ẹ ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ tí ń wò wá.
Na you be my creator, na you be my mentor, na you be my protector, na you be my savior, my God, remember me. Any day, anytime, now you be my blessing, now you be my success, now you be my provider, now you be my comforter, my God, remember me. Remember, my God, remember me. Remember, my God, remember me. Remember me today, my God, remember me. Remember me this week. My God, remember me. Atolato is bad.
ọ̀rọ̀ àmàkà àfi sùúrù ní báyìí o tó bọ́kọ̀ bá ròkun tó bá rọ̀ sà àfàbọ̀ fún elébùté a ní rí jù báyìí lọ láṣà tòní tó bá tún di ní ọ̀la ẹ máa pàdé wa lórí ètò Wazobia Plus. Abíọ́dún Ajíṣegírí lórúkọ mi ọlọ́pọ̀lọ́ èèyàn táyé ń pè lólòlò má sùn lòlò tí ò sùn tó sùn síwájú títí ọ̀la tá a tún pàdé aburú kò ní ṣẹlẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ gbogbo wa.
To jama'ar hata dai kun ji daɗin wannan kiɗe-kiɗen ko kuma zan ce rawan da aka nuna muku a wannan lokacin mun zo ƙarshen shirin namu na yau da sake haduwa gobe Allah ya kama suna Halima Hassan.
You dey totori my mind like say make I no leave una but as e take be if I no comot ANM no go enter if I no comot I no go watch summit today so na im go make me carry my load waka comot on top of the program all of us on top of Wazobia. Plus, we thank Nasona join us, and we thank everybody when work to make the program come true. Even at the backing, we thank you to say you make us start on time. My own name never changed. My name now Amaka Ogleye, the original Niger Pikin. I'm gonna catch us tomorrow on the public program.
MITV, the soul of entertainment.